be that bad student that wants to make his teacher look bad, but that makes me look good because marketing is marketing. You dig? Hey, I'm not a karate kid in this piece. Mr. Miyagi raised Danielson. Then Danielson went to the Cobra Kai Academy. Hell, what happened? He said, "Man, Mr. Miyagi was only trying to make one movie. I'm trying to get the series, a show, 10 sequels, all of that. You dig? I'm going for a motherfucking brand. The Karate Kid brand. Yeah, it's about branding. Shout out to the branders, though. You know, there's people that'll do that for you. You ain't got to be good at the complete business. You just got to be ready to pay that money. Like I said, hell, Six Bells is laughing at me for saying I'd get a consultation from that corrupt ass attorney general. That's only because, like I said, I respect his full amount of game. Because when you look at it from the angle I looked at it at, that's what makes sense about that whole ordeal. He just setting people up because he hitting a big fat ass lick in public. He letting y'all know he hitting the lick too. Like, well, I know some people think it's bullshit. But it's all legal for me to do. He's not wrong about that. Although that's what they call continuously an abuse of power. Because he ain't doing nothing but hitting a fat ass lick. Anybody that's goofy enough to pay him, he just taking their money, right? Yeah, it's going to go through the state, which means there'll be more money for the city somewhere. But at the end of the day, he's going to get his commission out of that because that's the one thing that they don't tell you about officials. Whenever they vote in a law or they wrote a law, they wrote in a loophole for themselves to get paid some part of it. Yeah, we're going to collect 7.8 million in taxes for the state, but what they didn't tell you is out of that 7.8 million, he gets 10% of that per year that they getting that. Then you wonder why this guy makes $100,000 a year, but hold on, he's worth 27 million since he's been in office, straight out of college type shit. How was you in college, right? Going to law school, right? You get out immediately, go on a fucking Senate run. You fuck around and make it because we liked your ass because you know you was a good football player or something stupid like that, right? What they say, he was groomed for the job type vibes. But anyways, y'all have a nice evening. I'm gonna get on up out of here. I ain't gonna hold y'all up. We made y'all wait an hour and some change before we even came in the green room just to tell y'all we ain't even got no work to do in this bitch. Ain't that some shit? Well, I got some work to do. I'm gonna get those dead leaves off of these plants because you know ain't no sense of keeping them hanging around if they didn't like what happened. But we'll get that water changed out. But I ain't gonna hold y'all up for that part of the video. Hell, we done smoked 2 blunts with you. Look, holding the roach. What you holding that roach for? Hell, we got dabs. We in the green room anyways. Let's go ahead and hit a dab with you. But then I'm gonna put y'all ass out because y'all can't keep kicking it with your boy for free. Hell, can't just keep kicking it with your boy for free. We ain't gonna keep giving y'all the game and all the sauce. Giving y'all a place to come network. That'd be the most important thing because I be like, when I'm not doing videos, I'll be like, who got a video or a live or a premiere or something to be at so I can be doing my networking. Hell, shout out to James Geitgeit. He like to come on when I'm at work now, which he was on when I was at work to begin with because, you know, James, he'll go live whenever he feel like going live. But y'all don't. Yeah. Tolerate. For that intro to networking course, it ain't really a course, but that's how he designed his YouTube channel. Come through, get your how to network on YouTube, coach, and learn how to support other people to get people to come through to support you. That way, when you live, they know, hey, whether they like your content or not, they can at least get their networking in. Shout out to the networking game, because that's what we about. Monetization coach 2025 and beyond. Other than that, y'all have a nice day. Enjoy paradise. If it ain't paradise, hit me up and get you a consultation. Yeah, that shows you're serious. And then we have a serious game versus playing around in comments, right?